Hi, in this video I will show you how to change OPay phone number. So in order to change your OPay phone number, what we can do is we can head over first to our OPay application. So once you're in here, you can see in here some options. So we have the help option right here. Make sure to click on that and then make sure to log in. So using that will actually redirect to the in-app service center that OPay has. If you don't have it, you can head over and then just call their customer support line at this number for app and card queries. And we also have different customer support line for POS or business queries. You can also chat with your WhatsApp on OPay using this particular number that we have right here into the screen. So you can reach out to them and then ask them to help change your phone number. They may ask for some verification options in order to verify that you're the owner of that particular OPay account.